All right, in today's video, we're gonna do a TikTok ad breakdown. This one is gonna be for Tema towels, right? It is a video that has more than 3.5 million views, has over 40,000 likes, some engagement in there. So let's just dive into the video here.
These are Teema towels.
Teema towel? Love this Teema.
Teemas are Turkish towels, which are portable, fast drying, and naturally sand repellent, unlike terry cloth towels that cling to and hold on to sand. They can also double as a personal throw blanket. They're wearable as an extra layer, as a scarf or a shawl, or a wrap by the pool. Their size makes them ideal for anything from travel to festivals, backpacking, camping, yoga, picnics, vibing, napping, gifting.
I'm in love with this. Look at I love it.
They just brought back their buy three, get one free promotion, so it's the perfect time to stock up. Check them out at Teema.com.
All right, so that was the video ad. So you can see it's a 39-second ad. A few things about the ad that we can see directly prior to the playing of the ad is they're using their own brand, Teema towels. A check that doesn't seem they have followers, right? So not really an influencer type that we've seen before, right? It's not like a user-generated content from a popular influencer on the platform. So it's actually a specific brand that they use their own account, okay? So in the description, they use code TikTok for buy three, get one free. Right, so that is the only thing they have there. At the beginning, you see that he just keeps it simple. These are Teema towels. That's all he says. These are Teema towels, and just kind of showing it. And then it cuts to people getting them, gifting them, right? So, and then their reaction when they get it on Teema towel, right? And it's, it's all about the emotion that people get when they get the gift, right? They get that product as a gift. And that is very, very smart of them at the beginning, the first 5 seconds. It wasn't even, it didn't even wait too long. Like there's not a lot of introductions. Just like, hey, these are Teema towels. Boom, it gets right into it. Let's watch it again. You guys will see.
These are Teema towels.
Teema towel? Love this Teema.
Teemas are Turkish towels.
Right, so it's a very emotion-driven ad. You're showing people how they react when they receive that Teema towel. It just kind of hooks you into like, hey, maybe I should buy this for my aunt's birthday that's coming up. You immediately start thinking, wow, I want to make them happy like this. That's a quick, fast-paced intro. Emotion, the one they're going for is excitement here. Makes you kind of want to know what these towels all are about, right? So,
hey guys, before we continue with the video, I quickly do want to take a second to talk about today's video sponsor, which is me. More specifically, the TikTok ads masterclass that I put together. Now, a lot of you already know this, but TikTok ads are the hottest thing in advertising right now, and rightfully so. I would kind of compare them to, say, Facebook ads in 2015, 2016. They're that good. So I put together this masterclass, which is designed to bring anyone up to speed and set them up for success with TikTok ads. And right now you can take advantage of our special introductory launch pricing and get the masterclass at a massive discount. If you are interested, check the link in the description below. And with that, let's jump back into the video.
Let's watch the next segment here.
Which are portable, fast drying, and naturally sand repellent, unlike terry cloth towels that cling to and hold on to sand. They can also double as a personal throw blanket.
All right, so there he goes on and talks about the features, right? So again, these are Turkish towels. He's saying they're fast drying, durable. Unlike the competitor, you don't get sand on them. The sand it's sand repellent. Naturally sand repellent were the exact words he used. So right away, you're thinking, hey, the beach, I could take this to the beach, or it just kind of again continues with that emotion of like, hey, this is a towel that I can take to the beach, right? And usually when I go to the beach, I'm happy, right? So there's a lot going on in there, right? Behind the scenes, that's kind of the message behind the message, right? Again, he goes on, talks about ways it can be used, right? So this is the next part here.
Little throw blanket. They're wearable as an extra layer, as a scarf or a shawl, or a wrap by the pool. Their size makes them ideal for anything from travel to festivals, backpacking, camping, yoga, picnics, vibing, napping, gifting.
I'm in love with this.
All right, so right here, you're basically trying to cater to a lot of people, right? A lot of people's interests, really, right? So people who like backpacking, who like traveling, like going on festivals, and the visuals are what really kind of drives the message home of like, hey, you know, anybody can have this, or anybody should have this product. This is how you can make this product a mass appeal product, right? It is in itself, but now within your messaging, you're projecting that. Let's continue watching this part here.
Gifting.
I'm in love with this. Look at.
They just brought back their buy three get.
Okay, so you know those are just a few seconds there, but you can see it's a USG content, user-generated content. They're, oh, I'm in love with this, right? Or I love it. You know, this is again playing into the emotion as well of like, hey, you know, this is a great product to have. You're gonna love this Tema towel if you buy it, right? So it's a very powerful message, you know, that a lot of brands do miss on this, right? So, you know, specifically around something that's maybe not, let's say a necessity type of product, right? This is more like, hey, you know, I like the way they presented this towel, and it does look pretty chic. It looks, you know, that it's designed pretty good, and that's basically the message, right? It's like, hey, you're gonna love this, you know. You know, you can just go out down to, you know, the local store, get a towel, but you're not gonna get the same feeling with this one. You're gonna like, you know, really enjoy. If I buy this towel, I'm gonna love it. So that is really what they're going for here. Now let's take a look at the last few seconds of the ad.
Gifting.
I'm in love with this. Look at.
They just brought back their buy three get one free promotion, so it's the perfect time to stock up. Check them out at Teema.co.
There you go. So, hey, they brought back the buy three get one free promotion, right? So it's a perfect time to stock up, he says, basically in the call to action, right? So go to Teema.co. So very straightforward call to action, and it ends with showing the product, right? The guy is surrounded with the different variations, so that's also important, something that is maybe overlooked at times. You know, if you have multiple e-com products, right, or just if you have one specific brand or one type of product, you know, with multiple variations, you want to show them all on screen, right? And in your product page, you would assume you want to give people options, right? That's kind of like people do like different colors, for example, right? Different designs. So show them on camera, and that's what this guy did at the end. Hey, the promotion's back. It's a perfect time to stock up, right? Perfect time to stock up is also very subliminal, right? It's also encouraging people to buy more than one, right? So that is one of the key aspects of this. So I'm sure product owners saying, hey, you know, I don't want people to just buy one, you know, I want them to buy multiple ones. So that's basically it. Like it's, you know, you're encouraging people to buy more, and that's going to increase that average order value for this specific offer, right? So so that is it, guys. And then, you know, I want to end the video just basically talk about just the targeting here. I mean, just think about, can you target with this video to ensure high levels of success, you know, and on the front end, get a whole bunch of sales. Is, you know, people you saw on the video, they're millennials for the most part, but there's also, you know, people in the late 30s, late 40s, maybe even, you know, late 50s or 60s. That's pretty much a big demographic, right? So anybody from maybe 21 to 60 years old could probably buy one of these towels if they saw the ad and if they connected with the ad. And there's just many avatars here, right? So the messaging is very mass appeal. It caters to a lot of people. That is what you want to consider when you're doing your media buying on TikTok. Your targeting is play into the messaging itself on the ad, right? So us here at Links, we look at our ad, right? We look at the script. I mean, we don't just say, oh, we're going to target these people and then we're just going to show them this ad. No, we're going to look at the ad, all right, and what type of messaging is involved here. And based on the messaging, based on some of the visuals, you know, what type of individuals are being shown or type of customer avatar is being shown, that's what we're going to try to replicate or try to, let's say, target, right, using the settings. So wanted to end it with that. So you guys can have an idea of how to create you know, a viral TikTok ad that will get you sales, right, and conversion. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, get notified when we drop some more YouTube ad knowledge, as well as TikTok ad knowledge your way. And we'll see you on the next video.